Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft Preview app not working on Windows 11. First, open Settings on your computer, then click on Apps and go to Installed Apps. Find Minecraft Preview in the list, click the three dots next to it, and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and you will see Repair and Reset. First, click Repair and wait for it to finish. If the app still does not work, then click Reset. This will remove app data and fix most problems. Next, clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank window will appear and close by itself after a few seconds. This will refresh the store and fix download or launch issues. Now, check for updates. Open Microsoft Store, click on Library at the bottom, then click Get Updates. Wait for all apps to update. This includes Minecraft Preview and other required services. Outdated files can cause the app to stop working, so this step is important. After doing all these steps, restart your computer and try opening Minecraft Preview again. It should now work without issues. Thanks for watching.